Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold is continuously moving upside after making a low of around $28.65. What we have seen, the price was moving continuously higher. Okay, suppose if the price keeps sustaining above this level, a probability of moving further upside will be there. But if it started coming towards the level of $28.88, we can see a bounce back can come. But if it started falling below this level, a probability of going towards 28.69 will be there, and from there a level of 28.54. Okay, and if you look at this particular pattern, a U pattern has formed, so chances are was very high that a further upside movement we can see. And if it started going above this level, a further upside. So best you can do is you can trail your SL by $5, because the movement of gold is towards an upside. So you will, once you start trailing your SL, you can make a good upside movement and take capture the movement towards an higher side. But if started falling below this particular level, it will go towards $28.82 to a level of around 28.871. And once started falling below this level, it will move below a level of 28.61, and from there it will move below a level of around 28.46 and then a further fall. Okay, and so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that to see there is a continuous upside we have seen, and chances of going further high will be there if it starts sustaining. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, you will see that the dollar index now trading at a level of around $108.164. Okay, and if it keeps sustaining above this level, we can see there will be a further high towards a level of 108.4, which has already been a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross this level, and a probability of touching 108.8 will be there. Okay, and once started going over this level, we will see it will touch a level of 109.5 and then $110. Okay, and once started going over this level, a further upside will be there. But if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards $108, and from there a further fall we can see towards 107.5. And if the price started falling below this level, probability of going towards 107.2, and from there it will move towards 106.8 and then a further fall. Remember that when the price started falling below 107.3, chance of touching 106.5 will be there, and then a further fall. Okay, you have to understand that when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Okay, and if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. This is what we can see. Okay, coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price, the price now continuously on a higher side, and we have seen that today's high is at around $29.06. So probability can be high if the price sustain this level. We can see it can touch a level of $29.06, and from there a level of 29.10. Okay, if the price keep moving over this level, it can touch a level of 29.20 to a level of 29.30. So you can trail your SL by $5. So you can capture a movement towards an upside. So chances of going further upside will be there if the price sustain. But as I've explained you, market is uncertain. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can fall towards a level of $28.86. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 28.80 will be there. Okay, and if it started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 28.74 is there, and from there a further fall we can see towards $28.60. Okay, suppose if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 28.51 will be there, and if the price started going below this level, chance of going towards 28.43 will be there. Suppose if the price started falling below 28.43, we can see it will go towards a level of around 28.35. Okay, and if the price started falling below 28.35, chance of going towards 28.29 will be there, then to a level of 28.20. Suppose if the price started falling below 28.20, we will see it will fall towards a level of $28.08, and then there will be a zone breakout. So for the fall we can see towards a level of 28.04 to a level of 27.91, and then a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.